Welcome back to New Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Reflection, a function rollless TKL from Han boards. The design and colorway of this board is inspired by Bangladesh and Bengali architecture, and the board overall has a pretty interesting vibe, so let's get straight to the unboxing. First off is this nice custom carrying case. On top are our gasket plugs, the daughterboard, and screws for O-ring mounting. Next is our hot swap PCB. For plates, I have all three choices, including polypropylene, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Lastly is the board itself, wrapped in this custom cloth. Look at these nice engraved details. Reflection is a gasket plug mounted or burger O-ring mounted XTFRLWKL. We have a soldered and hot swap 1.6mm PCB supporting stepped caps, split left shift, 6.25U, 7U, and 10U spacebar, split right shift, ISO enter, and split backspace. Both have daughterboards and utilize QMK and VIA. For plates, we have aluminum, carbon fiber, and propylene or PP, and for colors, we have green, black, sand, and brown. All of these are anodized except for sand, which is E-coated. Lastly, Reflection will run between $400 and $500 depending on interest. In the PCB are TX AP stabilizers lubed with 205 grade 0 and BDZ. Allowed on the aluminum plate, and in here go stock clack bits. These were made by Clackbait and are a nicely high-pitched linear. With the switches in, we can get to mounting. I'm gonna go with the gasket plugs first, but we'll also test the burger O-ring mount in a second. With the inner assembly done, let's open the case. This board is screwless, so the screws are on the top. Note that this is a prototype unit, so there are scuffs that won't be present on retail units. We can install the daughterboard, which is incredibly easy as it pushes in from the top, insert the inner assembly, and close the case. My WoW stick had the audacity to die in the middle of the shot. Lastly, we're going to top this off with GMK white on black.